Welcome back to math class. My name is Miss Standish. Today for our distance learning lesson, I will be teaching you how to multiply double-digit numbers using the area and array model. First, we are going to start with writing out our problem horizontally on our papers. Step 2, separate your numbers into tens and one places like I have shown you below. So we will start with our 54, and that will separate into 50 and 4. Then we will have our 31, and that will separate into 30 and 1. Next, we will make a box that has 4 boxes inside of it. Then you will place your separate numbers on the top and left side of the box like I have shown you below. First, we will make our box. Then we will put 50 up here for 54, and then the 4 over here. Then we will take the 30 and place it right here, and then we will place the 1 right here. So when you think about it, this is actually 50 plus 4 and 30 plus 1, but we are separating it to make it easier for you to multiply. Next, we will use the box to multiply each of the numbers together. We will just focus on the beginning of the numbers and not the zeros, and we'll add the zeros later. We will start with 5 times 3, which is 15, and then we have 2 zeros left over, and we'll add them, so we get 1,500. Then we will take 50 times 1, which equals to 50. Then we will take 4 times 3, which is 12, and then add our 0 at the end. Then we will take 4 times 1, which equals to 4. After you have multiplied the numbers, pull them down, going greatest to least, and add them together. So we will take this number, bring it over here, this number, bring it over here, this number, bring it over here, and this number, and bring it over here. Next, we will add it together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. 2 plus 5 plus 0 equals 7. 5 plus 1 equals 6. And then you just bring this 1 down and you have your answer, 1,674. You now know how to multiply multi-digit numbers using the area and the array model. Continue in the video to find practice problems. Once you see them, please pause the video and work on them. Once you are done, you may play the video and you will find the answers to the problems. I will quickly show you how to do each problem. First, we will start with 16 times 12, and that separates into 10 and 6, 10 and 2. Then we will make our box, 10, 6, 10, 2, and this equals 100, 60, 20, and 12, and this equals to 192. Next, we will take this one, 42 times 26, 42, 26. Make our box, 40 and 2, 20 and 6. And we will take 840, 240, and 12. And that equals to 1092. Lastly, we'll take our 64 times 32, 64, 32, make our box, we will have 1800, 120, 120, and 8. And that equals to 2048. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson.